Hi, fear. It affects our life. Mask your fear. Fear. Fake and false news. Avoid fake and false news. Exaggeration by media. Don't follow media much. It affects our mental health. Abnormal mindset. Always be positive. Don't be negative. Restriction. In this pandemic situation, we have to follow some restrictions in our life. Avoid public gathering. That affects much. If you have fear, we are the loser. We lose so many things in our life. We have to overcome this fear. How? If we follow some tips, we can do that one. If we have fear, it affects our mental health and physical health also. If fear increases, anxiety comes, body sweats, body chills, heartbeat increases, blood pressure increases, sugar levels become abnormal, stomach upsets comes. To avoid all these things, we have to overcome this fear by doing something. First one, always be happy, be positive, and build self-confidence much more. Faith and spirituality. If we have confidence on ourselves, we can achieve anything in our life. We can lose negativity. Avoid some negativity in your life. Always choose positive things. Do exercises, walking, jogging, all those things. It improves our body skills. By doing meditation and yoga, we can keep our mind stable. It improves mental and physical health and ability also. Always be cheerful. Don't be excited. Had a good sleep, minimum 8 hours. It keeps our nervous system in a stable way. Make good friends. And some health habits also we have to improve. Hygiene way. If you have fear, we lose so many things. Have family support. If you have any problem, better to share with your family members and take advice from them. It solves your problem. You will become positive. If you follow all these things in your life, you can overcome this fear. Mask your fear. Mask means monitor your health. That means by doing regular checkups frequently, 6 months once, you can notice what are the plus, what are the minus you are having. You can solve the problems also. Avoid gathering. In this situation, better to avoid public gatherings. You can enjoy in future also. At this time, take more care. It keeps your life strong. Yes, social distance, soap and sanitizer. Always maintain social distance. And wash your hands regularly with soap water. Wherever you go, keep sanitizer with you. That is the another safety precaution in your life. Okay, know yourself. First of all, we know ourselves. What are the good things we are having? What are the weaknesses we are having? We have to balance the both things. First of all, we have confidence on ourselves. Then only we can achieve anything. We can face any problems. And we can get through from that problems also. Some natural medicines also there. That is sunlight. Go morning walking. D vitamins come to you. It improves your health. Fresh air. Do jogging or walking in that fresh air. Do meditation and yoga. Meditation improves mental fitness. Yoga improves physical fitness. It controls our nervous system also. Make good friends. We can share so many things with them. With our family members also, some things we cannot share. Such things also we can share with them and take guidelines from them also. We can apply good ones in our life. Clear water. Don't take contaminated water. Regular exercises is must and should. Spend at least 1 hour for to do that one. Meditation, yoga, pranayama and walking or jogging. All these things are necessary for your good life. Whenever we are tense, take a deep breath. It controls your mindset. You will become cool. Then only you can tackle things in a smooth way. If you apply all these things in your life, you can overcome your fear. Mask your fear.